What's going on, guys? My name is Matt Panella with MattBangsWood, and we are back with another mini build series. We have a small edition here, 10-day build. All of our anchor bolts and hold downs are in. We're gonna start out by snapping our lines, getting our plate dropped. Now, material, I didn't think we were gonna be able to get it back here. They were able to forklift our studs, our sheets, everything right back to there. All of our plating material, all of our green treated is out here, along with our floor system and beams. Not bad, guys, not bad. So once we frame this addition, we're gonna be installing all new windows around this place and doing brand new James Hardy board and batten, not only on the addition, but on the existing home as well. Gonna make the best of it. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below, turn on post notifications to keep up with each and every day of this build. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be real fun. What are we gonna call this place? 10-day house build? 10-day house build. We're sticking to it. 10-day house build, day 1 through 10. Hopefully we can have it done in 10 days or I'm gonna sound like a moron. We're gonna go for it. Our lot is shaped like a pie. Nice and open all the way along here, but once you get back, it kind of necks down. We can't get a lift back there, so every piece of material that is not back there already is going to have to be hand packed. So we'll snap this back wall first.
Okay.
There's a separation detail between addition and existing right in here. There's a separation detail.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to figure out what that is. So we'll snap 5.5 back along here. We can snap these guys, go parallel across.
Cool.
We'll go from there.
They had a bunch of cool stuff.
Yep. Damn, what the? That's good. Look at you with those crisp lines. You got the good box. Popping. Wait up, Fox. We're gonna pull parallel. We'll pull from this way over. Is this less than 25 feet?
Make sure it's square.
We got 24 foot 2. Yeah, so burn 5.5. So 24 foot 2. That's 5.5 right there, Mota?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5.
She's 5'1".
4-inch minimum separation. Put ourselves a mark there. Line that up with a red line. Boom, boom, boom.
Bueno.
Two and 9/16. Thank you. That's it.
Alright. And break it.
That little piece of shit in the way. Things are inside of walls.
I know.
I like it.
They're pretty good.
Yeah, 4'11", hook it to it.
Three and a half. that way. It is 9:36 a.m. right now, 2 hours in, and we are completely plated. There is one little wall over there in that bedroom, then the closet to frame out. Exteriors are all done. All of them are drilled out already. Top plates tacked onto the side. So you'll see it done a couple ways. Here you see it tacked onto the side, right to our bottom plate there. We lay out our bottom plate, transfer it to our top plate on edge. Other places, like here, if the concrete is out, for instance right here we have a 1-inch bow in this concrete where it blew out, we had to run both of them sideways. We'll lay out this and transfer it on over. Both of them work, in my opinion. Having them like this is a little bit less efficient. You have to flip your square unless you're using a 12-inch. We're doing good though. 2 hours in, all plating is done. Finished up all of our plating and detailing. We're gonna start banging walls. First wall is going up. A couple more to go. First floor will be done. Hoping to have all of it framed out by today. 1, 2, 3, up! Yep. Eight-foot walls, 12-inch floor system, cakewalk build. I'm telling you guys, this place is gonna get smashed out. It's 12 o'clock right now. First wall is up. We did all of our plating, all of our detailing, snapped out this morning. There's only 4 of us too.
Ready?
Got structural closet going.
So we just finished up day 1 out here on this 10-day build. As you can see, all of our exterior walls are up. Interiors are getting banged out. Big one down there is done, big one down here is done. These couple interiors are gonna get done tomorrow. Other than that though, we're looking pretty damn good. Now this was 4 guys, 9 hours. That is all snapping of slab, plating, detailing, and framing. Not bad if you ask me. Now unfortunately, I'm having a ton of trouble with my GoPro Hero 7 Blacks, and I'm actually not stoked on them whatsoever. I'm having a ton of issues with freezing even after the software update, so I'm still trying to figure all that out. Therefore, today was a big time lapse, and I hope you guys don't mind that. It's gonna be a little bit shorter than normal. Still gonna try and throw in some knowledge here and there, but for the most part, this project is probably going to be time-lapse. For today though, we are calling it quits. It's about 5:30 right now. We're gonna head on home, hang out with the family, and relax until tomorrow morning. Hit it hard again. That is all we have time for, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Drop a comment down below, say what's up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bang on.